Hey everyone, today we learned that if you put your cell phone in a microwave, but don't turn it on, the mesh that's on the door blocks the frequencies. So we are going to try that out with our cell phones and show you if it actually works. So watch this. So we are going to put Colin's phone in the microwave and Katie's going to call it. All right. Put your phone in the microwave, Colin.
Okay.
We're only putting Colin's in the microwave because Katie's has cracks on it and we didn't know if it would
let me know when to call it.
Ruin it or anything. Okay. All right, you can call it.
I call it.
In the microwave. Aaron, watch. Hold on, Katie, don't call it yet.
I called it yet. Okay. Well,
all right, hold on a second. All right, so his is in the microwave. You might want to turn it on instead of on vibrate. Do you know what I mean? So you can hear it.
Alright.
should you put it like face up?
Face up?
Yeah, we'll be able to
So
hear
you
it.
can see.
So you see it like turn on?
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
You ready? 3,
As will ever be.
2, 1.
Oh,
Okay,
they are liars.
Wow.
So that was a myth. It was busted. Yeah.
Are we the Mythbusters?
Yeah, we're the
Mythbusters
fake
now.
Mythbusters.
Mythbusters.
Can't even say it. All right. So it was a lie. They lied to us. Liar Bo Byers.
Liar, Bobier. Liar pants.
Their pants are on fire and their
Pants
nose
on
grew
fire.
really long.
Yeah.
But anyway, so there you go. It's not true. And like as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.